imagine.
Let's watch my mom make mooli paratha. For those who don't know, mooli is just another word for daikon, which is a type of radish, and paratha is a crispy flatbread. So it's basically a spice stuffed daikon inside of a crispy flatbread. And it's a popular dish in Pakistan, and you would commonly eat this during breakfast with some sweet yogurt. To get started, mom is going to peel the mooli, and you can either use a grater or you can use a food processor with one of these little attachments, and you just want to shred this up just like this. Now there's a lot of liquid in this, so you want to make sure you squeeze out as much as you can so the paratha doesn't get soggy. Once you squeeze everything out, you can begin seasoning it with salt, chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, dried fenugreek leaves, and cilantro. Give this a good mix and then taste for seasoning. Once it's all good, you can begin preparing your dough. And if you don't know how to make the dough, you can check out my other videos on how to make paratha. You'll have to make 2 dough balls because you'll be using one tube lay on top of the other. Once you make your dough balls, you can flatten it out with your fingertips and then use a rolling pin and get it to around this size. Now you can take a good handful of your mooli mixture and place it on the bottom dough, and make sure you leave a little bit of space around the perimeter so you can place the top layer on top. Now carefully roll this out with your rolling pin. Make sure you don't add too much pressure or it might stick. Now on a hot pan, also known as a tawa, you want to cook this with a lot of oil or butter or ghee until both sides are nice and golden brown. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy.